Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this exciting product from Hornbill. This is front door lock set. It's a keyless entry and it's a deadbolt with the handle sets. App control, Bluetooth, auto lock, key fobs and keys. And the color is oil rubbed bronze. So simple instruction. Mine already has these holes cut out, so it'll be an easy installation. But if you don't have it, these are the guidelines and you attach this to the door. User manual. They make it super easy to cut out the uncut wooden door. It's all bronze, but it has a wear mark just like that. So they call it oiled rubbed bronze. And this just opens the door and it gives you the grip. It's very hefty and high quality. Look at this. Hornbill. Beautiful keypad. And this is the key area. You touch it here with the key fobs. And you can touch it, it will light up and then you do the code. Even the rear has the oil rubbed bronze feel. The inside of the front door, very modern look. So this whole door lock system is a temperature resistant from -4 Fahrenheit to 158 Fahrenheit, and it's waterproof IP65. So these are the hardware that came with the townhome when I first bought it. So first you have to remove the bottom. Just make sure the orientation is good. This moves, so you can utilize different mounting points. So this one says up, so you just have to put it in the same orientation. For the inside screw, you just have to turn the knob down or up, and it's easy access. Sure, works well. Very smooth and opens well. Look at that. So when you put the top part, make sure this is not vertical, but horizontal. Before tightening everything, make sure the front straight vertically. So while pressing this down, tighten everything down. There's a right and left. So mine is left to the left side position.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
Okay. It's working perfectly. Grab 4 batteries. So it made that water droplet sound. That means battery and everything is operational. Put the cover, that's it. Turn the knob several times to make sure that bolt extends and retracts smoothly, and which it does. Go to the manual, download the app, and it will look like this. Click that and add lock. Okay, and next. So hit that. So let's assign the name. Front door from outside. Opening it like that. We're gonna click that. And okay, so it tells you the battery level for each door. For front door right now, watch, hold on to it, unlocked. And if I hold on to it, look at that, it locks, which is e-keys, passcodes, cards, reminder, authorized admin. I can add people. Hornbill provides 2 RF card keys here, so I'm gonna register them. Okay, now it's connected. Wipe my card right here. Okay, so this one is registered. Pound button for 2 seconds. Okay, that's how you lock here. As soon as you touch it, it unlocks. Okay, key works perfectly. Settings, basic. Right here, admin passcode. Now I can change the passcode. There's an auto lock. Right now it's turned off. But let's do the auto lock. So delay time 15 seconds, so it closes right away after I leave, and that's it. Save. Within 15 seconds if it locks, just like that. 15 seconds, it locked. Okay, so this is a perfect front door lock for everyday use. It looks beautiful and it's very convenient. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.